Hi guys, this is Eugene here. Today we're going to look at how we can do competitors analysis using SEMrush. I got a question I believe is a very important question, from our last podcast, and if you are not familiar with my podcast, I have a podcast that talks about digital marketing, which, revolves around online advertising, social media marketing, and so many other growth hacks that can help you boost your online business. So today I got a question to show how we can do competitors analysis, and I'm using SEMrush to show you how you can effectively be able to see who are your organic competitors and be able to steal from them, or let me not use that word, but basically look at what they're doing better than you and be able to copy from what they're doing. So if you look, we're using ads targets right here. Don't mind these other stats, okay, because there are some issues that we're trying to figure out on this website. Why the organic traffic drops. But if you come down, if you scroll down, you will look at top organic keywords that we are ranking on. Most of these keywords were one, two, but because of some issues, it drops. Now, what we're looking at is we want to go to our organic competitors. So right here, you see here, you look at main organic competitors. We have about 455 because I'm using a free version. You won't be able to get much information, but on the right here, you have competitors position map, so it will also tell you where you rank and order of your competitors. I mean, how your other competitors are placed on this particular map. So what you need to do is to come over here, you look at your competitors website and click on view more, okay, because we want to see more of these guys. We want to see the keywords they are ranking on, the positions and the traffic they're potentially getting. And with that, we can be able to do individual analysis on each of them to be able to gather more data and then be able to use those keywords in our favor. So we can either, craft, content and compete better and rank better and possibly be able to get more organic traffic than what they currently have. So if you come down here, you look at this map, the same map I show you here, display here, will show you some of your main organic competitors, right? You scroll down here, you have more of the list. So if you have a paid version, you will even have more of this. You have a lot of it. As I show you, 455 is what they have here, but because we're using the free version, we can be able to access much of this data. So now you have to scroll down here and look at the common keywords that you share with these people. If you click on these keywords, you will see the common keywords that you share with these people. What I want you to do is come over here. Here you will have more data and be able to see search engine keywords that these people are ranking. So let's say we want to look at what this first person has, let's say in terms of keywords and potentially the traffic is getting. You click here and it's going to bring you to another table, which will be this guy's main table. And here you will have all the data about his website. Okay, it's loading. I'm sorry, it takes a bit of time sometimes. You see it's loading. So this guy potentially have significant amount of traffic, but you want to scroll down. Okay, you have to just scroll down here and look at his keywords, the keywords he's ranking on, and he has ranked on Instagram ad cost, how much to advertise on Twitter, how much is it to advertise on Twitter. So basically Twitter marketing services, he's ranking so much on Twitter. And if you are an ad network like mine and let's say you are curious to also rank on these pages, you will still have to check, okay, again, the type of content is writing. Now you can click on these pages. Let's say we click on this particular page and this page opens, right? You will go and look at how he has crafted this particular content. Now, guide to Instagram advertising costs. a handy breakdown, right? You go through this article and look at the subheadings, look at how he crafted this particular content, average CPC Instagram, why do I have a high Instagram CPC, the topics, the subheadings, how he crafted this particular article, and he's able to rank and get that traffic. And then you bring your own unique perspective, writing a similar article, optimizing it so you can be able to rank as well. And I will tell you what, you see this guy rank on this this Twitter keywords, not just one but multiple keywords. So you will also want to write multiple articles, not just one. I will advise at least 4 or 5 articles on the same topic using various relevant keywords or key phrases that are important for this particular topic, and then interlink all those articles. You will give search engines the opportunity to understand your website better and be able to rank you on this particular keyword as well. If you come down here, this article is lengthy, it's a bit long article, and the reason why is because this guy gave us a lot of information on this particular article. So you'll be able to do what to check what he has covered, what he has not covered, and where you can be able to bring a unique perspective to this particular article. So this is very important. This is how you get your competitors' keywords and be able to craft quality content also to compete with your competitors. So this is for this guy. You can go back to the second competitor. Let's see if they will allow us to do this and do the same. So if you do that on 10 of your competitors, at the end of the day, you will discover that you have multiple keywords. You will export. You can easily export this information using this export to PDF to have more information on these competitors. And with that, you'll be able to have multiple keywords to work on to craft your content, and over time be able to rank just as they have ranked on some of these keywords. So this particular website, you see, they have ranked on unique content, performance max campaigns, PPC intelligence, paid search intelligence, marketing success stories, performance max campaign, Google ads versus Instagram ads, gaming customer journey, how to create NFT ad without coding, gamers in the future. Now you look at these keywords here and you jot all this down if you can export these keywords, right? And then also take a look at some of the content he has written. So unless I'm interested in unique content, I click on this, or let me just say PPC intelligence. Okay, let me come and click on this particular article and see what he have written on this particular article, right? So you see, it kind of render fast. The website downloads fast. That's a very good thing. You look at how he started his articles, with the introductory part. He has a table of content, and we do that as well on our websites. We try to have table of content. You can use a simple plugin if you're using WordPress to get that done. It will automatically create those table of contents for you. And just look at the subheadings. First of all, look at the title, which is the H1 right here, how he has crafted this particular title. So what is PPC intelligence and the benefits it brings to campaigns, right? And this article was written last year, September. Okay, they have done a very good job with it. Okay, so the author's name is right there. Possibly, have more descriptive, or let me say, if you click on the author, you will see a better description of who that author is, which is why search engines kind of understand that the person that wrote this is an expert on this particular field as well. So what is PPC intelligent? That's the first thing they covered. Why competitive? PPC intelligence is crucial. Okay, another subheading: how to use competitive intelligence to gain advantage. Hiring a professional agency for PPC campaigns. Conclusion on PPC intelligence. You see, so you see they use images, they use subtitles. They make it very easy to, for anyone to kind of read and understand. And this is basically how you craft your content. You have to make sure your content is formatted, and also it's a bit lengthy. I will always advise you to write more than 1,200 words for any article you have on your website. That kind of allow you to give more information, make it more valuable, because you're going to have so much, content in that particular article, and people will stay on that page. And then, with that, search engines will understand that that particular article is valuable, and then you will be able to rank higher. So this is very important. And you can look at so many other keywords they have ranked on here. So as I said, if you export this particular data on this particular person or this website, you will have more information, the number of keywords, and the positions of those keywords ranks in search engines, and the articles that they have written on those keywords. So this is how you do your competitors analysis. You can do this on multiple competitors, as I show you, as much as you can. If you can't, be able to do that, right? So now they want me to pay because I'm using the free version. But anyway, you get the idea here. Basically, that's how you do your competitors analysis using SEMrush. I think it's a great tool, frankly. I've been using SEMrush for years, and I tell you, there is so much you can gain from SEMrush. So guys, that's what we have to cover on this particular topic. I want to ask you to subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe, so I will keep pumping out content out here for you guys and helping you grow your business online. And again, don't forget to check my podcast. Is EBIZPOD, Eats Podcast. I cover almost everything digital marketing, and that will basically help you as well grow and help me grow as well. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video.